In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase privacy and security in Microsoft Edge. First, open Microsoft Edge and click on the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From the left sidebar, select Privacy, Search, and Services, and scroll to the Security section. Turn on Enhance Your Security on the web. You can choose between Balanced or Strict mode. Balanced gives good protection with fewer website issues, while Strict provides maximum security but may break some sites. You can also manage this feature for specific websites by adding them to Always Use or Never Use Enhanced Security lists. Next, scroll up to Tracking Prevention. Choose between Basic, Balanced, or Strict. Balanced is recommended for most users, while Strict blocks more trackers for better privacy. Finally, for private browsing, click the three-dot menu again and select New InPrivate window. This mode doesn't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data. That's it. By adjusting these settings, you can make your browsing experience more secure and protect your privacy more effectively.